crab leg, Lord. Bless these crawfish. And bless the corn too.
Yeah.
Don't let it grow in my stomach. Look at all that stuff in there. Is that showing up on camera?
Mommy.
What that is? There's a little man in the boat. There's a man in the boat.
Let me see.
Is it showing up? It ain't. What you mean? What?
Oh, look.
On the camera. Y'all see that? Why it ain't showing up?
Oh, your hand up behind it.
Oh.
So it can focus.
You got it?
Mm-hmm.
I got.
Look, y'all. There's a little man in there.
They have an eye?
No.
They got a man in it.
Let me see.
There's a man in there.
It's a coochie.
It looks just like one of the men in the boat.
Mom, let me see.
Paddle, paddle, paddle. He's paddling. Put him in the boat and let him roll. Roll, roll, roll your boat. Gently down my throat. Take the little black man out. There you go.
You eating that man?
No.
I know he lost him.
You put it here?
Look what you got hair and all. That's hair.
That's not hair.
This thing I had a wig on.
Let me see.
Had a
Where's the meat?
this little thing had a lace front on, y'all.
Let me see.
You see that? Look at that. It had a lace front on. What?
Cut this open. I'm cutting this open.
You gonna tell me that's not hair? That thing I don't feel it. That's hair he had on his head.
How on his head?
Yeah, girl.
Oh.
Feel it. That's hair. Pull it, pull it. It's hair.
I'm trying to eat my food.
Well, you make sure you take your hair off this little man's head. Look at these two. Oh, see? Look, they stuck together by their hair.
Don't eat no ones that's closed.
Oh my! Wait, I ain't gonna eat no more. But look at this. What she eating? Making me eat.
Hey, open this.
They holding themselves together by their hair. Look, look, Keisha. Oh, I can't do that.
You miss it. I know you can feel the difference.
You ready?
Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Raquel. So we got a big crawfish, shrimp, mussels, king crabs, snow crabs, bok choy, avocado, broccoli, potatoes, sausage, and corn today. So we got a lot of food.
So we
gonna
got
eat it
some
all.
vegetables for the people who say we don't eat vegetables. So we gonna eat some vegetables today. Somebody
This is
gonna eat some veggies.
this is my grandma. This is my mom, and this is my daughter. You ready?
Yeah.
Ready?
We got all kind of generation and
Alright.
eat crab.
Let's eat.
Yeah, eat.
All right.
Let's get down.
Which
All right, y'all eat the
I
potatoes.
want crab.
I start over here. You start over there.
I want corn.
You want corn?
Y'all start on that side over there.
Tell us where to start.
To start on one of these crabs.
Yeah. 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 These are reserved right here. These big ones reserved. Might eat one of these.
You eat one.
I'm not eating that because I got to clean them. I can't just swallow my food. I got to chew it. See what it tastes like. She said I can't chew it. She said I got to just slurp it out and swallow it. I guess
No,
that's the way
idea.
you do it.
I chew him.
That's what you said.
Who said that?
Mm-hmm.
I
I
didn't
chew
say
my
that.
muscles. I don't swallow my
How you chew it and all that stuff in it?
My good. My fingernail.
Oh. Show me your fingernail, girl. You gotta hold your hand down so they
one
can.
already fall off.
Like this.
You already done pick one off. You picked one off already?
No.
Look at your fingernails. It's missing one. Look at your hand. What happened to it?
I don't know. I just put on. I just put on the corn.
The corn took it.
No. Yeah.
some butter.
Let me go ahead and eat some broccoli, y'all. This from my certain friend that said, why don't y'all have any vegetables? Look at all the vegetables we got.
Yeah, I got
I guess
clean.
I'm going to have to eat them all for you, just for you.
And corn
But
good.
I'm going to have to put some butter on them. I know you don't like butter. So I like butter.
I don't like none of the good stuff.
None of the bad stuff. Alright, let me start on them potatoes that nobody else ain't gonna eat. And these little itty bitty potatoes, y'all. Look good. My potatoes are good this time too. I'm not gonna eat too many because last time I got too full. That's what I had with potatoes. Roll this in the corn. Roll it in the butter. What you got, Kennedy?
Corn.
You got some corn?
Yeah.
Is it yummy?
Is
Yeah.
it good?
Yeah.
Let me try it.
Good.
Let me try it and see if it's good.
Come on, get some. Wait, I got some right here. I got some right here.
I got one.
Yummy.
Mmm. This good and sweet. It's sweet.
Guys.
What's that noise?
Hmm?
You heard the noise?
She just burnt.
Oh. Who burped?
Berry.
Marley Berkeley.
Yeah.
What you do?
She said you burnt.
I hear that the Bridget can't get me a hamburger, and I was coming that kiss at the car. She done ate.
What a big crawfish at.
Well, you. Ooh.
How big that is.
Me and her finna go to Bridget can.
Compared to this one.
Compared to anybody. Compared to this little itty bitty thing. That one ain't got no big
You should
claw.
have let this one turn into a lobster.
Crawfish don't turn into lobster.
It should.
Who tell you?
You look like roaches.
Who tell you? Okay, look. Don't be talking about that kind of stuff while we eating. It's gonna mess up our
Like
appetite.
a big old
Ah!
roach.
That's enough.
That's not enough.
Why you say crawfish turn to a lobster?
You don't?
No. It's a crawfish and a lobster, two different things. You're supposed to suck the juice out of that. I've never heard of no such thing of crawfish turn into a lobster.
Thought a crawfish turned into a lobster. Look how big it is.
It ain't never gonna be a lobster. No matter how big it is.
I don't want them. I want some more crabs.
You ain't never had no
Sure,
crab.
send me to the store at 11.
On these big old legs.
I told you those was a reserve. Nah.
It's already cut. Look. Just break it open.
Them reserve right there.
I'm sure we got this good.
Don't splash me. I got another big one. You eat this one.
Why I can't eat that one?
Because you're gonna eat that part and I don't like that part.
Okay, but you can't have this. We can split it.
Yo, you split it. I don't like the top part.
I want some more crabs.
Here. That's a big juicy crab. The bell ring. I hear the bell ring. For whom the bell toll.
Happy Bill.
It's heavy too.
Yeah.
Y'all ain't eating the vegetable.
Can you eat some of the vegetable, please? You want some vegetable? You want to pass? Puff, pass over there. You want me to pass the greens?
Oh, you got some? You don't want no butter? This butter good.
I am eating the butter.
Talking to Merlin.
She don't need no butter. Got high blood pressure. You want some lemon on yours, Kennedy? Good. You sure? You don't want no lemon?
Yeah, I do.
No.
Sour.
You like sour stuff, don't
No, I don't.
you? That's so good.
You like sour?
Ain't it so good?
It's not so good.
That's what I call swimp there. Crab, I mean.
What you call it?
Crab.
A swimp. Oh, these?
And that crab.
Mm-hmm.
Ain't hard to get out. That bush that joking out.
I don't want this.
You don't reach your limit on that one.
Oh my God.
Hello. We got company.
I drink my soda so I can burp and make room.
Fill your stomach up and let me eat the rest of these crabs. Don't drink your soda, girl.
I like to take some of this and crab right here and make me some crab bread.
Now some of this here crab or some of the one you gonna go get.
With thick crab in it like that. Make me some crab bread.
Yummy.
We
Yummy.
ain't planning on having none of this here crab left. So,
Big crabs usually be gone by the first day.
yeah.
I'm gonna eat that.
Happy.
The mommy show.
We ain't gonna have none of this here crab left for her.
Come
Let
here.
me get some veggies. Oh! I'll be sneezing on my veggies. That is not funny. Say, excuse me.
Excuse me.
You gonna tell her she's supposed to say bless you.
Well, I bless you after you say after you cover your mouth. Bless you after you cover your mouth, okay?
Yeah.
Happy.
Who you got all the crab? Was it you?
Who?
You.
Where was?
Right there?
You got it right here still.
That's the fat part.
No, it's not. This crab right here. You don't want it?
You think I'm just cracking crabs and just feeding you like you a little kid?
I didn't know that. I thought that was my crab that I cracked, that I got from up there. I don't know you cracked that crab.
I bet you don't remember.
Next time you crack your crab, you keep it over there where you at. You're sitting in front of me. Sit your crab in front of me and let it disappear.
Shower, mommy.
What is it?
Shower.
What?
This shower.
What's sour?
This.
What that is?
I don't know. It's lemonade.
Lemonade? That lemonade good, girl.
No, it's not.
It's not good.
No.
Alright, we're not supposed to dance while we eat.
Make room.
Y'all still taking pictures?
It's
Okay,
recording.
on there.
Oh, you on there. Only way you ain't gonna be on there if you keep on going to Burger King. Like you started to. Or you gonna eat with us, you gonna be on there. Mm. You want me to tap you on the back?
Yeah.
Okay, wait. Got it now? Who did that?
Excuse me.
My mama.
She didn't even cover her mouth. I see where you get that from. I don't know where neither one of y'all get it from, but neither one of y'all get it from me.
Yeah, we did. Thank you. Pat me back.
Some of these vegetables. I made the gas come up.
Sorry, Mama.
I'm moving this stuff out of the way.
Keisha, you need to eat all that right now.
You eat it. You ain't ate nothing from over there but a piece of potato and corn.
I had a bunch of potatoes from over there. They almost
Told you to eat up all the
eat
potatoes.
no more. That's what happened last time when I was so full. I ain't
Put
eat no
that
more
mini right
potatoes.
there, 'cause they gotta eat potatoes.
I'm not gonna eat no more potatoes. Oh, I got a piece in my hand now. Hold on. This is the last one. Eating all the potatoes. Here, Happy. Let me get the lemon off with. You don't like lemon.
Happy. I like baby.
Go ahead and finish eating that. You can eat your mussels. I'm not eating them things. I can't clean them little things. Don't you gotta clean them? Yeah. You gotta clean them. I'm already sit I see what you're trying to sit them over there by yourself.
What, the scissors?
No, the crab. Sit them up here on the plate.
Oh, what? So I can not get none? You don't
Ooh! You okay?
Yeah.
You must got some pepper
Ooh.
in some of the drink.
I don't even taste no pepper. You want your drink?
Yeah.
Look at this big glass of something you got. What is that? Iced tea?
Hit it, baby. Oh, that's not now.
Where's that?
Right here.
Lost another one.
No, that's the one that we were looking for earlier.
That's one off of Pinky too.
I guess that grease don't get up underneath that gel polish shit like that.
Ooh, that went round down the wrong pipe.
Here you go.
You need to go to the emergency room. Marley, can you take Keisha to the emergency room, please?
Why? So y'all can eat up all the rest of the
Me and
food?
Kenny will stay home watching food.
After I done slaved on over the stove. Made this.
Me and Kenny will stay home.
That's some good butter.
It's good butter.
Don't let her keep dipping that piece of shell in it.
Hey, eat it. If you're gonna eat butter, you need to eat it with your
It's hot. Not hot.
That's not hot. This butter is
I think
hot.
I didn't get food because I'm eating vegetables, y'all.
No, she hasn't.
I think that's right. What they say about the vegetables? They don't weigh much, so they take up less room.
She didn't really eat no vegetables.
I ate the whole plate. Look at that, y'all.
Come on, that plate didn't even move.
What you talking about? I'm sure y'all see me eat all this stuff over here. Don't listen to her. Well,
And y'all sure gonna eat them.
that's another piece I ate.
You can go get your hamburger now.
Mm.
You can go get you a hamburger.
It's that.
Alright guys, so this concludes our video. As you can see, my mom did not touch her vegetables. So to the friend, make sure you get her because she did not eat her vegetables. Don't let her lie to you.
I don't have to lie, because you can see for yourself that this plate is almost empty, and I'm the only one who ate any of these vegetables. All
No,
these
you
people right here
didn't.
need a detox.
I
Y'all suck on the lemon.
stuck on the lemon.
Detox.
And you see for yourself, I don't like it.
We know that. We can see for ourselves.
The shade. So all the potatoes are almost gone. We still got a gang of shrimp. The corn is gone. The mussels are almost gone. We still got a gang of crawfish / cockroaches. And all the king crabs are gone. We got, what, 4 clusters of king crab legs left. And a big plate of vegetables. So until next time, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, or if you have any other ideas for any other videos. Peace.
I got bands in the coop. Touch me, I'll shoot. Bow, shake a little ass. You get